Alrighty, so I got the 4910 from Charles Brisco. We're going to do the first time I fired this saw up. I'm already quite impressed with this. His exhaust work is phenomenal, very clean. You probably won't be able to see it, but it looks factory. His exhaust work does. It looks absolutely factory. So I got the chain brake engaged. Let's see if we can start it. Now I want to show you something. The first thing I noticed with this saw, she has compression. She's got a bit of compression. Quite a bit. I'm quite excited. It's hard to believe that much compression out of a little 50cc saw, you know? So let's see what happens here. I'm going to try to drop start it and see what happens. The tune seems to be spot on. I got a little tiny piece of wood. Let's see what happens. This saw is nuts. Absolutely nuts. I got a big old piece of red oak here. Old, dead, dry. It's the piece of wood I've been testing on. It's as hard as they come. Let's see what happens. super impressed. I am just absolutely floored here. In fact, let me step back here. I can already tell I'm going to take this saw up to 3/8 chain. I'm going to go ahead and do that. We'll get rid of the 325. And I might even bump it up to a 20 or 24-inch bar. The saw's got the power for it. Let's make a few cuts on this piece of... Let's make a few more cuts on this piece of maple I got sitting here. This saw is amazing. I'm telling you guys, it's absolutely amazing. I'm going to tell you, right now, that is the coolest saw I have now. The coolest saw I own. One of them. Maybe it's the new car smell, if you know what I mean. But this thing is amazing. Super pleased with this saw. You probably didn't notice it, but I hit a rock. There must have been a rock in there. I hit it. The chain started going crooked on me right there at the last two cuts. So I was going to finish slicing that thing up, but I rocked the chain, you know. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and work at getting this thing up, bumped up to a 3/8 chain, I think. I'll have to order another bar. But what do you think? 20 inch? A 20 or 24 inch 3/8? Probably a 20. Yeah, I'll probably do a 20 inch 3/8 chain on that. And yeah, I am super pleased. Charles Brisco did an amazing job for me. Absolutely amazing. I'm kind of speechless. Like, this saw runs that good that I'm kind of speechless. You know? It's crazy what this saw can do. Absolutely crazy. So I noticed on his videos, he must be pushing on that thing really hard, like really super hard. Because I'm not putting a whole lot of force into it as like I noticed him do. But the chips, I mean, everything was spot on. There is not a single complaint from me. Charles Brisco did an amazing job, and I'm looking forward to running this saw a lot. This is going to be that saw in my collection that if I end up picking up a side job, you know, like a side tree work job or something, this is the saw I'm taking, you know. It'll be great for everything up to 20 inches. It can handle it. So, you know what I mean? I'll still be running my vintage ones. Don't worry, they're still coming. But I wanted to have a modern one built by Brisco. You know, he's a great guy. We talk on the phone sometimes 2 or 3 times a day now. So, you know, we're starting to become good friends. And getting a saw from a good friend is a great thing, you know? But anyway, Brisco did an amazing job for me. And I can tell you firsthand, that saw runs absolutely amazing. Amazing. No complaints whatsoever for me. I think I'm going to start working it, maybe getting another one from him. What do you think? So I'm thinking maybe next year I'll work at getting another one from him. One of the 70cc versions of the Echoes. you know? I like Echo saws. I do. I like them a lot. And this makes me like them even more, you know? But anyway, till the next one. Later.